wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to you. Hi friends, welcome to Felish Josh channel. Please subscribe, watch our video. Bye friends. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring for you and your kin. The tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hi guys, today we're going to be making a papers. What? Snowman. Yeah, snowman. So I said a carrot nose. Yeah, we're going to be making with a carrot nose. Okay, so you need two papers and my brother already got his one of the squares. And yeah, we can start. So in my paper here, so you can just cut this paper if you want, okay? If you want to cut, you cut this paper. Do not cut this paper. Okay, yeah. First, we are going. Now, don't make sound, okay? But then I go for it. Then I beat you. This square is 11 centimeter and this square is 8.5 centimeter and this square is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now take the small and the big one and join these together and then just put this square over here and it's done. Okay, don't do that. Just kidding. So we're going to start with the big square. The big square, you just fold it into half. Then same thing the other way, you fold this part to here. And then you'll get another line. So you got two lines here. And if you separate them, you got 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Bring the corners to the middle. All sides should be equal. Now bring this corner a little bit here. The same to the other 3. Okay, now the body is done. It looks a little bit round. Now we do the same for the face. Head. Now we need to make the hat for the snowman. So keep your square in a diamond shape facing to you. Take this corner, hold here because if you do like this then it won't come properly. So hold here, then until here. And the same thing this side, hold it here and just fold it. And then you see this one, you can just bring it over here and it looks like some shape. Now you bring this over here. This part and this part was coming out like thing. So I need to secure it. So I want to glue it right now. Paste it. Yes. Okay, the hat is done. And now you're going to glue the snowman together. Okay. So make sure you just do it a little. Now I'm going to just do it this whole part. Like one of the thinks we did the whole triangle thing. Now just here, and then you take the hat, just glue it a little bit over, and then just like that, and we have our snowman. To make the carrot nose and the eye, the button eye, the mouth, and the button on his nose. So I'm gonna get it. You can use marker, sketch pen or pencil, but I'm using marker. So you have to draw the eyes. In usual way, I learned how to do this snowman. They didn't show hands, but in my creative way, I want to make hands now. Now I made the hands. I cut it. Now time to stick them on. Now I'm going to just stick the arms. My snowman is done now, and you can just put a string over here and just hang it in your Christmas tree. Christmas is coming, Christmas is coming, Christmas is coming. It's very easy, right? Now I'm gonna show Joshua. Merry Christmas! I'm gonna sing one song. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring for you and your kin. The tidings for Christmas and a Happy New